Free comedy night. All right.
Oh yeah.
Why is this named after my sex life? Why did they do that? That's kind of low. So, speaking of which, me and my girl did anal recently. First time. Yeah. Thank you. I don't like to kiss and tell. It's weird. But let's just say I'm glad this is stand-up comedy. I'm very sore. Very. It didn't go great. Shut up. Fuck you. But it's not funny. You can all relate. Oh, that's gay. I didn't do that. Look, have you been to FSU? You been to that league, that financial office? You been there? Very similar. Very similar situation. Oh, you guys are looking a little uncomfortable. It's this, right? Like too many buttons. There's just too many, right? So we got KY jelly. That was the worst money I ever spent. I was like, are you gonna use some of that or like no? Like no? Like could you spit on it? Like something? Whatever. I'm very frugal. So if you didn't know, the shit tastes awful. It's not like regular jelly. I don't know. Is this better for you guys? Is this working out better? I'm feeling a lot more comfortable. So, yeah, KY jelly, man, it tastes gross. But it's like an acquired taste, right? Kind of like anal. Like you know, right? Like you know though. But you know. Tell them, please tell them. Okay. What is this, audience participation? I didn't think anybody would mess with me if I sat up front. All right. Fine. But, I'm not quite there yet. I don't think we're at that level of comfort. Fine, all right. So, why do you think white people hate immigrants? I think it's because we were the worst immigrants ever, probably. That's probably it. Like, what the fuck even is Thanksgiving? Like, what is that? Why is that called Thanksgiving? Thank you, Native Americans, for not having better immune systems. Thank you for having shitty technology. But now people are like, hey, can I just come to your country and be a productive member of society? Like, please? Can I get a livable wage? And we're like, oh, no, amigo con queso. Nice try. We invented that trick. No, you take these SARS blankets, you get the fuck out of here. You get the fuck out. Man. Speaking of things that are like backwards for saying thank you. You guys ever go on Tumblr? Yeah, do you have Tumblr? Anybody here have a Tumblr? We are 5 minutes from FSU! All of you have Tumblrs! Why are you fucking lying to me? Does this not promote honesty? I'm very vulnerable up here, this is hard for me. I saw something cool on Tumblr. I saw a great status, and it was like, you know, we should be, like, remove the negativity in our lives. Instead of saying sorry, say thank you. Like, instead of saying, like, you know, sorry I'm late, say thanks for waiting on me, right? Like, that's like very real, right? Let me be real with you guys. Oh, we're not doing that yet, no. We're not there yet. It's all right. But that's very hard to implement. Good strategy, hard to implement. So, you know, I thought of some examples, right? Like, how do we do this? So I was like, you know, thank you very much. You get that letter in the mail, it's like, thank you. We are so grateful. Your stupid ass did not make it into college. You did not make it into FSU. Your dumb ass is not walking in our halls. Thank you. Thank you so much for winding up in the hospital. You got my out of work. I got to eat this shitty cafeteria food. It's fucking awesome. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for having me at this funeral. This is probably not the most appropriate place to do stand-up comedy. But I didn't write anything. I just thought it'd be cool to take my shirt off. I don't know. But I am dead-ass grateful. And I'm very sorry for all of you tonight. Thank you. Or sorry. Good night.